We're the cops.
We're the cops.
We're the cops. You're my sound effect.
Oh, okay.
All right, so we're sitting in our cop car.
Mitchell,
Got him.
how was patrolling today?
It's going pretty well. I'm gonna take a bite out of this donut.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I like with my donut? A little bit of coffee.
Oh, that's really hot. Oh, you can talk while drinking? That's a good talent.
Out my nose.
Oh.
Good stuff.
Here, let's see what's on the radio.
Oh, yeah. I'm feeling that. Woo, Michael Jackson.
What?
Yeah.
Michael Jackson?
This is
Oh, I'm digging it.
I love Michael Jackson, but that does not sound anything like it.
No.
Let's just turn that off.
Mitchell, I think we're getting a call in.
You're gonna call in? Put the sign on the roof.
What happened to the siren?
Is the siren broken? It's screechy, but here.
Turn!
All right. Oh, whoa! Okay.
Do that one.
Got through that one. Oh wait, I'm gonna slam on the brakes. There's a puppy in the road.
It got out.
That was close. Okay, we're at the scene, dude. Here, let's get out of our cars.
It's our space.
It's our bubble car, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna slam the door now. All right. Okay. Wait. I think there's gonna be a lot of terrorists behind this door.
Make sure our guns are loaded.
Yeah, let's check our guns. You want to be cocked? Hey, you.
Make sure it's fires.
That's a good gun right there. But
Should we do some dry fires?
dry fires? Let's go.
Make sure they work.
Just for
That's an Eagle 50 cal right here.
You want to see a real gun? Here's a real gun.
No.
Okay, there's something wrong. I think my gun's clogged. It sounds like a squirt gun. Here, let me give that another try. I gotta loosen it up. Take off the safety. Ready?
No.
Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna go back to my pistol. I got my pistol. All right. So, you ready? Okay. When we get in there, I'm gonna distract them by making a duck noise. Here, let me just practice. Ready?
I'm gonna do an elephant.
An elephant noise? That is gotta be the worst elephant noise I've ever heard.
Sorry.
Maybe you should just quack with me. Maybe you quack with me. All right.
Quack.
Are you gonna kick in the door? You wanna kick in the door?
I'll kick in the door. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! Quack!
Put your hands up!
Get out Shoozy! That's your handgun! Get out your Uzi!
It's my laser gun!
Well, we do have a spaceship car, so that makes sense.
Alright, all the bad guys are killed.
I think we got rid of those terrorists.
Let's exit the building.
Yep, let's exit the building.
Cop-like.
Adios.
Guys, that was great.